An early morning chimney fire displaces a family. Firefighters are hoping that it serves, though, as a reminder to people as we're heading into the colder months. When those fireplaces are going to be used more and more, the potential for fire increases dramatically. And tonight, KCRA3's Richard Sharp takes you inside a chimney to show you the problem and how to prevent it.
Cobwebs, creosote, and cracked bricks. Just a few of the problems that can lead to chimney fires. This was a chimney fire that happened this morning along Gerber Road in Sacramento County.
You can't overheat a fireplace?
Steve Peverini, owner of A1 Chimney, says this time of year he's usually busy cleaning or fixing fireplaces.
Phone usually rings about every minute in our office.
Peverini says there are 3 often overlooked tips that can help prevent a chimney fire. First, remember to open the flue. Too many people forget this. Second, get it cleaned. How often?
You should get it cleaned every quart of wood, usually 1 every 2 years.
Third, the flames. Watch the size of the fire and the wood you use.
After it gets going, put in some hardwoods like walnut.
30-year firefighter Brian Thompson has seen countless chimney fires. He says there's one more potential problem people should check for.
Make sure that you haven't had critters over the summer build a nest in there and are living in there.
And lastly, sometimes what's happening inside the chimney isn't the only concern. For example, heaters or ceiling fans can sometimes pull air back down the chimney and cause that smoke to go inside your home. So it's something you need to keep in the back of your mind. In Carmichael, I'm Richard Sharp, KCRA 3 News.